steps. First of all, we must wash our huge stone, which looks exciting. After, we are making some painting to our wooden board to cut correctly. After cutting the wood, we are left with a raw, unfinished surface. At the same time, we begin working on our stone. Now we trim the base so it can stand firmly and evenly on the surface. We cut, chip, and hammer the stone until the base becomes smooth and even. Finally, we give it a polished finish. Here is our freshly cut stone. At this stage, it doesn't look very refined, but in the end, its design will truly amaze you. Here, we make another cut. Voila! We've finished all the risky work, and the stone's top has been cut off beautifully. Now we fit our walnut wood slab onto the stone and take a first look at the stunning effect. We took the base measurements and moved on to working with the wood. I thought it would be simple, but nope, voila, the power saw. Again the power saw, and once more, the power saw. And here I am with my angle grinder, turtle-shaped head attached. I thought it would make things easy. But honestly, an axe and strong muscles do the job better. So back to the axe, chopping, sharpening, chopping again, sharpening again, then back to the grinder. And my little polishing machine, which of course didn't work at all. In the end, the muscles won. After that came the sanding, first with 40 grit, then 80, then 120, 150, and finally 220. And now, the same process on the other side. Smooth as a baby's butt. And with that, we've finished the first stage of working on the wood. Let's see how it's turning out. It's already taking shape, and I think it's going to look amazing. Here we begin by taking the measurements. For this, we use the cut stone to set the size precisely. I'm using a 10mm wood drill to make 1 centimeter wide holes. And with a thinner bit, I'll drill through holes. And that's it. It turned out pretty well. All fingers are still in place. Now I place the wooden surface onto the stone base. Then I spray inside the gaps to capture the measurements. A little life hack from me. Voila! Nothing came out of it. This life hack doesn't work, but I know another way. We'll need some tape and a scrap of paper. We attach it from the bottom side. Trace the outline with a pen. And voila! The exact shape transfers straight onto the stone. After this, we keep on drilling and drilling. Boom, boom, and the stone piece comes out. One more boom, and another piece is out as well. Now here's a truly useful life hack: how to place the brackets without missing the alignment. For this, we put a small piece of wood under the slab. We drill through it and tighten the bolts into place. In the cutout spaces, we pour a special 2-component liquid. After that, we simply insert our brackets. Tomorrow, once it hardens, we just unscrew them and replace the wooden block with the actual tabletop. And now, my favorite stage: covering the surface with several layers of top-quality lacquer. After applying the first coat, we have to wait 1 day. Then we sand it again with 400 grit paper. After that, we apply another coat of lacquer. Only this way can we achieve a flawless, high-quality finish. I think it's coming out beautifully. What do you think? We begin by removing the anchors, with a little help from Mickey, our dog. The good thing is, the screws are not fixed into the stone, so they come out easily. And just like that, both of them are out without any problems. Boom, boom, and poor Mickey got a little scared. Now, let's measure the surface one more time and see how it fits. Next, it's time to sand the second layer. The sandpaper must be passed very slowly and without pressure. After this, we apply the final coat of lacquer. At this stage, it's important to remove the sprayed paint from both stone pieces. And now comes the foamy wet show. Too bad it's me doing it, and not some beautiful ladies. After washing, we move on to painting the underside, which really brings out the walnut's natural beauty. Now it's time to soften the stone's edges so they won't scratch our table. For this, we use silicone-like paper, cut it, and attach it to the stone. Meanwhile, it started raining hard, and even the stone looks a little sad. Wow, what lightning! I've never heard thunder like this before. And now for the best part, the assembly stage. Let's carefully tighten the screws. I think it looks truly beautiful. What do you think? And now for the final touch, placing the stone on top to see the finished result.